Alright, we're taking a quick look at the Fractal Design Core 1000 Micro ATX case. As stated, this only fits Micro ATX motherboards. Very affordable, high quality case. It's only $40. It comes with foam for both air filtering, and I believe it also does a little bit of sound dampening in the front. I'm going to go and pop off the side here real quick. Painted black inside, very nice finish. Comes with a Silent Series 120mm fan in the front, and that's especially silent if you have the motherboard control it, so that you ramp that down most of the time. Very nice. Comes with rubber grommets to cushion the hard drives, keeps things quiet. Also, it does support SSDs. As you can see here, the holes are drilled out perfectly for 2.5-inch size drives. So you could also put in older, well, like if you just wanted to use some laptop hard drives you have sitting around, you could use those as well. But generally, of course, the idea is for SSDs. And you know, it's a pretty small case. It's 16.5 inches deep, just under 14 inches tall, and I believe it's 6 inches wide. So it's smaller than you realize when you're ordering it, which is nice in certain cases, in certain scenarios. And one thing I've never seen in a case in this budget is the ability to remove the plate here, so that you can fit larger hard drives in. I'm sorry, not hard drives, video cards. So you can fit in about a 9 to 9.5 inch video card with this in place, and then closer to, you know, 14 to 16 inches if you take this off. So there's thumb screws here, and there's also a thumb screw on the bottom right here. Remove that, then you can take this off, fit in a full-sized graphics card, and then right here you'll see thumb screws here. This is actually holding in a tray that you can put a 3.5-inch hard drive in. So then you could have, if you want, just like in this case, an optical drive on top, and then you could install either a hard drive or SSD right here. Or of course, since most of the time you don't need an optical drive, you could have 2 hard drives or 2 SSDs here instead. So very compact, very affordable, very nice finish, and it's extremely quiet. And so far I haven't heard any rattling sounds. Of course, this system here doesn't have very many moving parts. There's just 3 fans, the 120 in front, the CPU cooler, and then the Corsair power supply here has a fan, of course, but it's only running at about 15 to 20% most of the time. That's never really going to ramp up, because with what's in here, it's never going to be having a high load or drain put on it. So, and this customer is never going to want a dedicated graphics card, so that power supply is going to last a long time, and the system's going to be very quiet overall. Probably the loudest thing on here is going to be the optical drive, which will probably be used maybe a couple times a year. So overall, I'm very impressed. I mean, $40, cannot complain. And I've never seen the ability to remove the hard drive tray so that you can put in larger graphics cards in a case that's in the $40 range.